Waar?
Well, there we go, look at that waterfall getting blown up in the air sideways. It's beautiful. And if you are inside, definitely worth heading outside. We're just about to arrive at the seals, and it's nice out here.
Oh, it's beautiful.
There we go, just as we head around the corner, we've got a big boat just at the base of the Stirling Falls. That'll give you an